Hi, welcome to our channel Appdevlops. Today we are going to start Basic of Android Development course where you can learn start making your own Android applications. First of all, who this course is for? This course is mainly for those who want to create mobile application in Android. But before we starting this course, we need a basic knowledge of programming fundamentals, like what programming is and how syntax is written, and another one is object oriented concept like OOPS, which is object oriented programming. What exactly you learn from this series is custom designs, how screens are designed in Android, build and create applications in Android Studio, how to write code in Android Studio and perform actions to make a working application, business logics, apps ready to deploy on Play Store, and one more thing in which we all are very interested, that is earning from Android application. So basically, before we going to start, what topics we are cover, that is Kotlin programming language. Kotlin programming language in this series because Kotlin is the official programming language announced by Google for development of Android apps. Set up the Android Studio, Android basics and fundamental, XML and material designing, basics Android feature and some mini projects. If you visit first time to our channel, then please like, subscribe and press the notification icon from channel. Thank you.